As genetic research continues to advance, understanding the impact of mutations on gene regulation has become increasingly important. In this video, we'll explore the different influences of mutations in introns, exons, promoters, operators, and enhancers. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how mutations in these regions can impact gene expression and protein function. So, whether you're a student, researcher, or simply interested in genetics, this video will provide valuable insights into the world of gene regulation. Let's get started. Let's talk about mutations and their influence on gene regulation. Can you tell me what mutations are?
Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that can have different impacts on gene expression and protein function.
That's right. Now, let's talk about the different influences of mutations in introns, exons, promoters, operators, and enhancers. Can you explain the influence of mutations in introns?
Sure, introns are non-coding regions of DNA found within genes. Mutations in introns can affect splicing, leading to altered protein function. Mutations in intronic regions may also impact regulatory elements, such as enhancers or silencers, located within or nearby the intron, which can have an indirect effect on gene expression.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about mutations in exons. What is their influence on gene regulation?
Mutations in exons can have a direct impact on protein function, potentially leading to changes in the structure or activity of the protein. Missense mutations can affect protein function, while nonsense mutations can truncate the protein, leading to loss of function. Frameshift mutations can result in a completely different amino acid sequence, leading to non-functional or truncated proteins.
Great. What about mutations in promoters, operators, and enhancers?
Mutations in promoters can alter the binding of transcription factors or RNA polymerase, leading to changes in gene expression. Mutations in operators can affect the binding of repressor proteins, leading to changes in gene expression. Mutations in enhancers can affect the binding of transcription factors, leading to changes in gene expression.
Very good. Understanding the location and impact of mutations is important for understanding the underlying mechanisms of genetic diseases and for developing targeted therapies. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding the influence of mutations on gene regulation.